People say to me, I don't have time to meditate. I say, how many times a day do you stop at a red light? 20, 30, 40 times a day? When you stop at a red light, your car has come to a halt. Your body has come to a halt. Your mind is still in chatter mode, telling you if the guy ahead of you would have only gone through on your yellow that you paid for, that you'd be halfway to work right now. And this is a person in front of me that's driving slow who's looking for an opportunity to stop and hoping that the light is going to turn red. You've been behind people like that, who have their brake lights on as they approach a green light. Those are divine masters. They have been sent to you by God. So when you have an opportunity to stop, if your car hasn't stopped and empty, and your body has stopped and it's going to be there for a minute or two, then your mind also, if it could join your body and your car in stopping, you would have 2 minutes in which to meditate and get quiet. And you could just close your eyes and repeat the sound of God. 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 You did this very for 2 minutes. There's always somebody behind you to let you know when your 2 minutes are up. They'll do it instantly. Thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. And off you go. And pretty soon, you're one of those drivers with your foot on the brake, hoping that a light will turn red so that you'll be able to connect to God. And you find opportunities in the day wherever you are. And the more there is sound around you that interferes with it, the more you are tested to see if in fact you can bypass that and not hear those noises. They're my tests all the time. Leaf blowers, you know, these funny little machines that spew out fumes and sound everywhere, have always been a very pet problem for me. I see them and instantly I was like, why not just, the wind puts the leaves where they belong. You blow them, blow them, blow them, 15 minutes later, wind comes along and they're right back where God wanted them. And my wife always says, it's your test. I say, stop with that your test crap. I don't want to hear it. It's what you teach. It's your test. And she's right. And then the leaf blowers leave and the tree cutters come along. When the tree cutters leave and the trimmers come along. And the trimmers leave and somebody's coming along to grind up cement. And other trucks go by. And it's like an endless parade of loud noise. And you have an option to go within and to just see if you can push that out and come and connect to God. And silence becomes something that you not only love and appreciate, but that you begin to crave. And it isn't that you're craving peace from the noise, you're craving the indivisible place within you that gets you to know God. It's the only time in all of your experience here in this human form that you will ever be close to God, because you can't divide silence. And it's why meditation is so important. Many of you know that I have a great teacher who came to me from India. His name is Sri Guruji. He asked me to teach a meditation. The meditation is called Japa, J-A-P-A. And I've been teaching this meditation for years and years now. Some of you, I'm sure, do it here. And it's nothing more than the repetition of the sound of the name of the divine. The sound that's in the name for God. And language is what originally was created from ancient mystics who heard sounds within them and then gave symbols to them that we call language today. And the sound that they heard within them that is representative of God, whether it's Jehovah, Krishna, Allah, God, Yahweh, Kali, Durga, Ra. The ancient names of God all have the sound of Ah. And the repetition of the sound of Ah, combined with putting your energy or attention on what you'd like to manifest, to which you are already connected. Remember, if God is everywhere, there's no place that God is not, then God is in you. And if God is in you and everywhere else, then God is in all that you perceive to be missing from your life. So that realigning your intention with this to which you are disconnected in your mind only, but are already connected in spirit to, allows you to attract it into your life. It's the basis of manifesting your destiny. And the use of this sound, which is the intermediate energy vibration between the world of form, the solid, and the world of spirit, the invisible. There's an intermediate dimension called sound. And this application of sound literally attracts from the world of spirit into the world of the material through the process of this thing called Japa, the repetition of the sound of the name of the divine.